So let's move when you're ready. Satnav sometimes don't speak in the start, but he wants you to go left at the end of this road, then left again. So look at the top point of that one when he say it's left and left. 50 yards. This is where you are right now. The blue sign. When you see the blue line, which means you have to go straight. When you see the white color, that means that's where you need to turn. Ignore the speed here on the bottom, okay, and focus on the road. If the arrow comes on the left side, that means you're going somewhere on the left. If the arrow comes on the right side, you're going somewhere on the right, okay. Ignore the street name and ignore all this part, which is your time and journey, all that, okay. At any point you not sure, just ask me. So we do it together, okay. So let's move when you're ready. So that's going to be more independent driving, so with the practice of the second. Sometimes they speak late, okay. Keep watching the van. Anybody after him? Good. Full steering. Keep to the left. And one more left turn, please. See, that's where the white
turn left, then take the second right.
Okay. Now he actually starts speaking up now. So when he say the second right, see the right arrow come to the right side of the. That's it. So that means you're going somewhere right. So let's do mirror signal right.
After 100 yards, turn right.
So ignore the first one and go this one, close to the white line still.
Turn right.
That's it. So that's like order now. Now this time it's not saying anything about the yards. You just say turn right. And this is where the white color comes to say you that you're going right. Okay. Let me make it more zoom for you, okay? So look on the arrow again on the top. This time the arrow is showing you on the left. Yeah, careful. Wait here. That's it. Now look. Oh, one. So you just go double-minded. Okay. So, because she cannot see because of the van blind spot, that's why she was coming out, but then she got double-minded, should have waited, should have go like that. So anything like that, just let them know. Okay. So road speed is 20. This time SatNav also saying 20. So sometimes it's correct, but it's better not look there, look on the side pillars. Okay. Now this time it's quiet because it's a little bit far. In the 20 road, SatNav starts speaking about closer to 300 or 200 yards or 250 yards because it's 20 road. Arrow is on the left, so that's also, you know, you're going somewhere left. Anytime soon he's going to speak.
After 100 yards, turn left, then go right on the roundabout and take the third exit.
Ignore the second option. Just focus the first you can see now. Okay.
Turn left, then go right on the roundabout and take the third exit.
Just go. So we've done that junction now. This picture is the roundabout picture, and you're going right, third exit. So
go
right
on the roundabout and take the third exit.
That's it. Look on the white line. That's also telling you which side you're going on the roundabout. So that's your number one. Look on the left traffic as well. And look on the line of the map. You're good, right? Perfect. Now, that picture on the SatNav is a roundabout picture, and it's showing you on the right side. So which side you're thinking of going on the roundabout?
I'm going on the
right side. Because the picture on the right, arrow on the right.
left side.
Yeah. So you can start making a plan in your mind. You're gonna go somewhere right, and he's
After
gonna say
300 yards, go right on the roundabout and take the third exit.
that's it. So now she said you're going right up the roundabout, third exit, but we can tell from the picture in advance.
Yeah.
Even she don't speak, you know.
Yeah.
Now you're getting closer and closer. She's gonna speak again.
Go right on the roundabout and take the third exit.
So this time she did not say anything about the yards. So that means that's the time you should start your mirror signal and just go. Okay? So look on the left. And when it's safe, and then you go. So when she don't say any yards, that means that's where you have to do it. When they say yards, that's the information. That's not the time you have to start. Okay? So think again. Look on the picture. This time they show you the picture of the roundabout on the left side. So then your exit will be so more on the left side. So you already know before she speaks.
After 90 yards, go left on the roundabout and take the first exit.
Because of the
Go
picture.
left on the roundabout and take the
cancel.
first exit.
So start looking on the right if everything is okay. How far the car is on your right. How many of them? Who's coming? Who's not coming? Safe to go? Good. Okay, well done. So look on the next arrow. Because they show you the arrow on the right side, so she will say you to go somewhere on the right. Now look now, SatNav say is 20 miles, but road is not 20, road is 30. Street light with no sign of 20 is 30, but SatNav saying 20, so that means SatNav is wrong.
Yeah.
So if you're gonna follow the SatNav speed and driving on 20 now, you get failed by driving slow.
After 200 yards, turn right, then take the third left.
Third left we can do later. Think of the right first. Okay, can you see the right turn?
Yeah.
Okay, so do right mirror signal in a good
Turn
time.
right, then take the third
Or you can
left.
say when, you can start when she said you to do it. Well, you're gonna meet in traffic situation. Because he got a parked car on the right, so that's why he was a little bit extra on the other side, okay? So then you don't have to be close to the right.
After 200 yards, turn left.
He's invited you with the flashlights. Now look on the white color of the map, and then that white color means that's where the turning is. Is your arrow is getting close to the white color?
Yeah.
Okay, now mirror signal then,
Turn left.
or when she say, then you do it, and that's match with the white color. Okay, look around, nice and normal. Look everywhere, everything is fine. Then you take a nice good turn. Now, where's the white color again?
Right.
Okay, where the arrow say you to go.
Straight.
Yeah, and it shows you the picture of the arrows on the
Right.
At
Right.
the end of the road, turn right.
end of the road is a T junction. So whenever she said end,
Turn right.
look on the T junction. And when she said turn right, that's where you start the mirror signal. Okay, especially in 20 and 30 roads, when she say turn right, check your mirror signal and start. But do the mirror check early, but signal you can take a reference. Okay, when she say I'll give signal. Okay, in
Yeah.
20 and 30 roads. Now look on the arrow. Which side the arrow is? Left. So she's gonna talk about something about left. Okay. How many yards away?
290.
Yeah, 290. Yes. Can you see any white color on the map, on the blue line?
Not yet.
Not
Yeah,
yet.
End of the end of the
Yeah.
road.
That's it. How many more street you can get before that?
2,
One.
1.
Yeah. So you wait for that to finish.
Okay.
That's it. But you go
At the
closer
end
to the
of
white
road,
line.
Turn left.
End is always a T junction. Okay. So close to the white line. Now mirror signal. And then you do it.
Turn left.
One more time. She's saying same thing one more time. So now don't focus on the sat nav. Just look all around to your junction. Wait for your turnings. If it's all okay, finish your turning, then check all the mirrors. Now check on the sat nav. So make up your mind where this sat nav will take you next.
Round, I think, maybe.
No, it's
No.
left first.
Yeah, and then right.
That's it. So first left, then right. Right? So that's why the arrow is on the left side this time. If it's all okay, you can drive exact 20. Check on the street light signpost, repeater signs. 20, good. Sat nav is also saying 20, so this time is correct. Yeah, so that's why we're not sure it's gonna correct or not. So if everything is okay, you stay exact 20. Then you don't have to be slowed down without any reason. Okay. Because of the bend, you can, because there is a reason. Less visibility, you can slow down, is a reason. Stay
At
1
the
meter
end
away
of the
from the
road,
cars, yeah?
turn left, then turn right.
Okay, now sometime your both turnings are too close to each other. That is why she's talking about the two turning at the same time. Because if you're going to do one at one time and second, then you don't get enough time to plan or to do everything. So if you look on the line, it's like a zigzag.
Turn left, then turn right.
That's it. So it's going to be left turn at the end, which is T-junction, and then first right. That's what we show in the map. And she's going to speak one more time now.
Turn right, then turn right.
Now she's talking about two rights now. So let's finish this one first. Okay, it's not coming anymore. Thank you. Let's drive. Now look on the arrow on the map and see which right you're talking about. Is the first right or is there any more street?
More streets.
There's no right streets.
No.
So that means technically is the first road on the right
side.
Exactly. So there's no right street anymore because we don't see any street.
After 100 yards, turn right, then turn right.
So finish this one first because you're approaching to the white
Turn
color.
right, then turn right.
So let's finish this right first. If it's all okay, make a nice turning. And then she's going to say one more time. Turn right.
Turn right, then take the third left.
We do that later. Yes. Now this is the right turn on the dual carriageway. So first we have to go straight. Then yes. So make sure. If it's clear, come more forward. More visibility, more blind spot checks. Yeah. See the advantage of coming forward. You can see more better. And when it's clear, quick to out. Be straight. There's no line. Just be straight. Follow the other lines. Wait up till here. There's no giveaway line, just assume when the road finished that's a giveaway. It's a 40 road, like look on the speed, so they may be traveling very fast. And look on the hazard on your right. So which lane you think you're going to take? Right, good. Do you think it's good to save now? Yes, let's go. Now because of more car, you can stay right. You only can go back when there is no car on the left. So tell me when there is no car. After which color?
After the white color.
Turn left.
So let's do mirror signal left. Look on the left nicely and come to the left. Okay, cancel your signal. Now, because it's a fast road, look where you're going. Second left. Number one, number two. Now slow down. Mirror
Turn
signal.
left.
More slow. More slow. Less than 20. Look on the left. Cycle. Then you go. Because it's a fast road. In a fast road, you approach too quickly. Okay? So that's why you have to be more careful because you're going to approach too quickly. Now look on the arrow on the sat nav and then see where this arrow will say you to go. Right. But how far?
150 yards.
Okay, so keep driving up till these ones don't go 100 yards. So when you see 100 number, then you're thinking of doing your mirror signal. the reason of 100 yards because you are driving in 20-mile road. Okay, if it's a 30-mile road, you maybe can do 200 yards. But it's a 40-mile road, you can do more early. Okay,
That's fine.
if you want to make it more easy, you can even say like this.
After 200 yards, turn right, then bear left.
Okay, this bare left I will explain you after this. Yeah. So look on the white color again. This is a crossroad junction. That's why it didn't say end of the road. End of the
Turn
road, T
right,
junction.
then bear left.
What's the sign says? What to do?
Stop. Yes.
Where?
White line.
On the white line. Good. Not on the wordings.
Mhm.
On the line. Okay. So people can see your bumper. You should go a little bit more on the line. You're not on the line yet. Now you're on the line. Now stop. Now see, your visibility get better,
Yeah.
and other people can see your bumper easily, and then it's more safe to move
Yeah.
on. Okay.
You have more, yeah. You can see more as well.
Now he said bare left.
Mm-hmm.
Now can you see the arrow is not like a turn,
After 200
it's like a bend,
yards,
Mhm.
bear left.
but it does not mean it's going to be a bend.
Mm-hmm.
It's a junction like a bend, where you have to use less amount of the steering.
Bear left.
So still mirror signal left. Come to the giveaway line. Don't go to the cycle lane. It's a bit faded line, so careful about that. So this traffic light is not for you. You wait for the giveaway. Look on the right. If it's clear, come out. And what's the speed of the road? Yes. Check on the map speed.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes it's correct.
Yeah.
Okay. Now because you know it's correct, now you can maybe look here. If you forget, you can look here.
Yeah.
Are you driving close to the cycle lane?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So stay away from it. Yeah. If it's a left bend, you keep position to the right.
Mm-hmm.
It is safe to drive Isaac 40. Okay. So drive Isaac 40. Now push the car. Gas pedal down. Good. Now look on the map and see what's coming up next and where he's thinking to take you now.
Round about third exit.
But did he say third exit?
No.
No, you don't know. That's it. So what you say? Roundabout.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going somewhere on the right side after 12 o'clock.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So you approaching roundabout.
After 400 yards, go right on the roundabout and take the third exit.
That's now you know it's third exit. Okay. Otherwise you don't know. You just know it's right side somewhere
Yeah, yeah.
after 12 o'clock.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So look on the picture of the roundabout. Then see which is the third exit.
Mm-hmm.
Seacroft.
Yeah.
Okay. So mirror signal right. Position to the right. Again, the lines are not very great.
Mm-hmm.
Faded lines, so careful. Close to
Go
the
right
pillar.
on the roundabout and take the third exit.
If you already know, then just ignore it and do your actions. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Because you already know what you're doing. Make a counting of the roundabout. Look on the left traffic as well. What if they come out? Yeah, good. What about your steering? Out like that. Check all your mirrors. No, no. Cancel this because you're approaching the junction.
Mm-hmm.
Now this is the easy one. Where are you going now?
Straight.
Straight. And what will come when you come straight?
Roundabout.
How you know it's mini roundabout? Just a roundabout.
Yeah.
Exactly. When you go close, then maybe you know it's a mini roundabout. But so far is a roundabout. Okay? Maybe large, maybe small, maybe mini, maybe small size, medium size, big size.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe controlled by the traffic light, maybe not controlled by the traffic light. Maybe 1 lane, 2 lane, 3 lane. We don't know.
Mm-hmm.
But what we know, some roundabout, and you're going somewhere straight.
Mm-hmm.
Which number of the exit, still we don't know. Until she don't tell us.
Mm-hmm.
Okay?
Yeah.
But if you're going straight, which arrow you will look on the floor?
Straight.
Straight arrows. Because left arrow will go left, right go right.
Mhm.
Looking for the straight arrow because you're making a planning
Yeah.
with your sat nav.
Mm-hmm.
And it's half the mile still left. So when it becomes yards,
Mm-hmm.
then you're gonna start speaking up.
Mm-hmm.
What is the speed limit of the road? Okay. So when you're driving on 40 road, think about 400 yards in your mind to start making a plan. Okay. So both lanes are going straight. Now how many lanes are going straight? Only one.
Only one is one.
That's it. Are you getting into the yards now?
Yes.
Okay. Can you see the roundabout now?
Not yet.
After 400 yards,
yeah.
cross the roundabout and take the second exit.
Okay. Keep to the left position. Feel like it's two different lanes. Because you're going left, more likely the left position will be going straight, not the right one. Okay. See, she speak about 40 road, 400 yards.
Cross the roundabout
So no signal?
and take the second exit.
Then now we know it's the second exit. Okay, this lane is going straight. Bend it to the left. Look on the right properly. Anybody coming from your right? So no signal from the start. Wait, somebody's coming. They are in your blind spot. Okay, careful about that. After him, nobody?
Yeah.
Good to go. Okay, stay in outer circle. Now mirror signal left and start picking up your speed. Look on the left traffic. That's it. Because you are blind spot for them. What if they can't see you and come out? Same in the start of the lesson when the lady was coming out from the street because she can't see you. Okay. So which roundabout are you going next? Somewhere on the right side.
Yeah.
So is it good to be go in the right lane now? Okay, let's do it.
After 400 yards, go right on the roundabout and take the third exit.
Did you heard what she said? Good. Now approach nice and slowly. Check the new speed limit of the new road.
Go right on the roundabout and take the third exit.
Because the picture of the roundabout is on the right and arrow of the picture is right. Okay. Good to go? Yes, well done. Now look on the left traffic. If they're coming out for you or stopping for you, make a counting. That's it. Was a good timing of changing lane. Good. What about any hazard on the new road? That's it. It's green, you can go, so no hesitation. Unless it's no moving out, you're good to go. Okay. Now pick new information.
Roundabout.
Again roundabout.
Yeah. Left.
Yeah, but how many miles away or yards away?
1.5.
Is mile. Yeah.
1 mile.
So we have a time. When we get yards and you're driving on the 40 road, were you expecting this person or this lady or Tom will speak?
Maybe
400 yards?
400.
Because you're driving on a 40 road. So that's your reference.
Yeah.
Until that, straight, nothing to do.
After 400 yards,
There you go.
left on the roundabout and take the first exit.
That's it. So she's speaking with you now first time. Then she will do one more time.
Yeah.
About 200 yards.
Go left on the roundabout and take the first exit.
Yes, and this time she did not say anything about yards. So this is controlled by the light, so nothing to stop for the right traffic. Just make your turning. See, this is why when they say the roundabout is coming, you don't know which roundabout.
Yeah.
You don't know which exit. Maybe small, maybe big.
Yeah.
Now, what's next?
Another roundabout.
Another roundabout. Which direction?
Right.
Right. So now we don't know which exit, but direction we know, exit we don't know. Now this is the tricky one. Both lanes are going right on the roundabout. You know the one I show you in the start of the lesson. So both lanes are going right on the roundabout. So which one will you take?
Left.
Yes, because left is available. If not, we can take right. Looks like we have a bus standing on the left lane, but after you overtake the bus, you can come back to the left lane.
300 yards, go right on the roundabout and take the third exit.
So look on the picture of the map. We want you to go Selby, Colton. Bus is ready to move, I think.
Go
Now,
right on
so
the
come to the
roundabout
left lane.
and take the third exit.
Okay, that's it. Cancel the signal. So look on the right traffic. Good to go. Stay in outer circle. Drive in outer circle. Give right signal. Stay in outer circle. Cancel your signal. Stay in outer circle.
The exit.
No signal anymore. Stay in outer circle. Maintain the same lane. 6902. Stay in the same lane. 6902. And just go straight. Look on the map. That's where he's taking you. Just take it like a bend. Pick the 6902 and follow 6902 and stay on the same lane. Okay?
Yeah.
Now, what's next?
Another roundabout.
Another roundabout. Which direction?
Right.
Somewhere on the right. Which exit? I don't know. What is the size of the roundabout? I don't know. Is it controlled by the light? No, I don't know. Mini or large? I don't know. But somewhere on the right, a roundabout will come. Until he don't say or she don't speak, what you need to do?
Just carry on straight.
Just carry on straight. Are you in the yards or are you in the miles?
Miles.
Miles. So wait for the yards. What speed you driving now? 40. So what you expecting her to speak?
400.
400 yards. Good. Can you see the roundabout now?
After 300 yards, go right on the roundabout and take the second exit.
What exit number she said?
Second.
So this is where you can't assume it's going to be third. Picture is same. Okay. So let's do mirror signal right. Position in the right arrow because you're
Go
going right.
on the roundabout and take the second exit.
She also said right word as well, so that's why you need a right lane. Yep, let's come out. Good. That's the signal again. So that's your number one exit. Now do mirror signal left. Go to the left lane. Nice and slow. Go in the left lane. More slow. More slow. More slow. Come on, more slow. Now you're using the brake. Okay. Because they're double bend.
Yeah.
So have to be slow.
Yeah.
It's like a zigzag, double bend. Roundward is like a double bend. You have to be slow. Okay, look again. Where you will go next?
Left.
Somewhere
On the left.
on your left. Why? Because the arrow
Sure.
on the left. Is it yards or miles?
Miles.
Miles, because say MI. Yeah? Reduce your speed. You're going above. Check mirror and reduce. Okay. Always mirror check. Look on the sign again. Always careful. When you're in the 20 road, you have to drive only 20 maximum. So you are driving in the 20-mile speed road. So where you expecting her to speak? After how many yards?
200.
Maybe 200. Okay. So stay 20. And until the sat nav don't speak, what you supposed to be doing? Carry on straight. One of the easy things. If the examiner don't speak with you, what you do?
Carry on straight.
Carry on straight. if you see there is a mini roundabout and you
After
see this
200
one,
yards, turn left.
so do you think it's like a street left turn or is a roundabout left turn now?
Think Street.
Okay, and if you see the roundabout, then do you,
Oh yeah, the roundabout street. Yeah.
that's so it can be some this kind of
Turn
situation sometimes.
left.
Okay, because it was a small street roundabout,
Mhm.
that's why you did not get a roundabout picture. Okay, who go first? You. Okay, because they're not giving any signal, so they're going straight and you're turning left, so no hesitation. So it does happen sometime because it was a mini roundabout, very small, and you was just doing left in a street. That's
Yeah.
why they did not make you confused and give you left turn like a street. But if it's a big roundabout, it give you the roundabout picture.
Yeah.
So that's a little bit sometimes low. Is why is saying street? Why is mini roundabout? It's the same thing. Information is same. You're going just going left. Doesn't matter. It's a street left or roundabout left, but you're going somewhere left.
Yeah.
Now look again on the map where he wants you to go now. Left, because the arrow says somewhere. Okay. Now there's a little trick
After
again.
200 yards, turn left.
It's technically end of the road, turn left. And if you look on the road, it will also show you the blue sign, like a mandatory sign.
Turn
No signal.
left.
Turn left only, because it's like a one way.
Oh yeah.
You can't go anywhere. So you just can do it without signal. Even she don't tell you this, you still have to do this. So whatever she was telling us is just like extra information. It's the same left turning. Even she stay quiet. We look on the sign on the front. It's a one-way system. You only can go left. Even she don't tell you, you still go left. Keep an eye on the person. Okay, look everywhere if people give you the space to come out. Now the main problem now, after turning left, where we going, we don't know yet. If this person gonna cross in front of you, okay. So don't wave them, just let them do it. Okay. Okay. Now look on the traffic on the right and see who is giving you the space to come out. You decide you to go.
Yeah.
Okay. So when this traffic will go ahead, then we will get the chance. One more time. See, she's still happy. Okay, thank you. Sometimes people can change their
Yeah,
mind,
yeah,
so you
of
have to
course,
check one more time. Are they still happy to let you go? That's it. Don't block the pedestrian crossing. Okay. Now, good. Where are we going next?
Straight.
You're gonna,
Roundabout.
yeah, you're approaching the roundabout, and you're going
Straight.
straight. Which exit? I don't know.
I don't know.
Yes, I don't know. So look on the picture of the roundabout and the front picture, like a main board picture, and then see, okay, can you match something? How many exit you can see on that board, on the main one?
3.
3. So he's talking about going somewhere straight. So what you expect? Which exit it will be?
Second.
Second. Good.
Yeah.
So now you already made your mind. That's called your awareness and planning now. Even she don't speak, you know where you're going. Right? That's it. So that's how you plan early. You don't rely on the sat-nav to tell you what to do, where to go.
Okay.
Even the sat-nav don't speak, or even we make it mute, you still don't know. Still know where you're going. Okay? So let's wait what she say. After how many yards you expecting her to speak?
300.
Maybe 2?
So yeah. 3 to 200.
Because you are a bit like a stop car now, slow car, maybe you're gonna leave it later,
Yeah.
or maybe after the boat.
After
Mid-
300 yards, cross the roundabout and take the second exit.
So that means the boat and the roundabout is 300 yard difference. So that means the board is also telling you about the roundabout 300 yards early, so you can make a plan.
Yeah.
So look on the board on the right. There is a one board on the right. Look which lane is going straight.
None.
So how you will go straight then? It's a little trick, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you use left lane,
Yeah.
okay, and then you go straight.
Mm-hmm.
Left lane is going left and straight.
Mm-hmm.
Why they did not put the arrow over there? It's more like a bend. Okay, they're using the roundabout because the shape of the roundabout is like that. It's like a slip, like a split, like a T-junction.
Mm-hmm.
One to the left, one to the right.
Mm-hmm.
But you're gonna stay left because your picture of the roundabout is on the left. So if you look on the blue line,
After 100 yards, cross the roundabout and take the second exit.
crossing means going straight, no signal
Mhm.
from the start. Make sense now?
Yeah.
Because your picture is on the left, so you're
Mhm.
definitely gonna stay left. Stay left lane, outer circle.
Mm-hmm.
Does it? And match the line of the map.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so you're in the right place. If we wanted you to go right,
Mm-hmm.
the roundabout picture should have come on the right side of the diagram,
yeah.
not on the left.
Mm-hmm.
So you
Yeah.
already have the hint. Now, where is the arrow? Left side or right side?
Right side.
Okay, so that means you're gonna go somewhere on the right side. That's it. And you're traveling on 30-mile road,
Mm-hmm.
so where she will speak roughly? How many yards?
300? So 200?
No, 300 is already that one, so she can
After
speak
200 yards, turn right.
200 yards.
Mm-hmm.
Now match the line and see if you can see, okay, where I'm going. Is any white color on the map?
Mm-hmm.
Can you see anybody turning right?
No.
The van?
Yeah.
Okay, so the same one. So let's do
Turn
mirror
right.
signal right. Go to the next line. Look on the arrow on the floor. Is anybody coming from straight?
Mm-hmm.
No. So don't do hesitation. Be quick to go. You just reduce your speed too slow.
Mm-hmm.
It's just like hesitating,
Yeah.
approaching.
Mhm.
Okay. This is a 20. The board is not that clear. It's a 20 road. Look again on the map, on the SatNav map,
Yeah.
where you will go next.
Right. Right.
Somewhere
On the right side.
on the right. How many yards away?
600.
Good. And when you're expecting this person will speak?
About 200.
After 200
Mhm.
or 200, like that. Until that, what you do?
Go straight.
Continue straight. Between traffic situations, are you good to do it by yourself? If somebody comes, you know how to stop and give them. Good.
After 200 yards, turn right.
Now there is another confusion here. Match the white color on the map and see which right turn he's talking about. Is he talking about this right turn?
Yes.
No. This is not the one you're going to take.
Mm-hmm.
Are you close?
Turn right.
Exactly. There are some times the two right turns are very close to each other. Okay? The dual carriageway, be careful. Now you can come on. Okay, cancel your signal. Okay, what's next?
Roundabout.
And where he is asking you to go?
Straight.
Which
After
exit?
400 yards,
I'm not sure.
cross the roundabout and take the second exit.
Second.
Second, good. So that means I'm going somewhere straight, second exit. Alright.
Mm-hmm.
Now look on the diagram of the road. See if I can see any roundabout picture. Maybe right, maybe left.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
There's no name, it's just a little small dot
Mm-hmm.
of your exit.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now which lanes are going straight?
Both.
Both. So which one you will more expected to take?
Left.
One on the left. Now you use the same lane for the second exit and you use the same lane for third exit.
Cross the roundabout and
Keep
take
going.
the second
It's controlled by
exit.
the light, so no hesitation. See, you would have made it more early. Okay. So careful next time. Be
Mhm.
quick. If it's green, be quick.
Yeah.
That's number one. That's number two. mirror signal. Soon the pillar
Mhm.
come on your left, you can do mirror signal.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, look on the map, he's parking, so overtake him. Look on the right, keep to the right, away from him.
Mm-hmm.
If someone stopped just now, what you expecting them to do?
Get out.
Yes. Okay, let's go. There was a space, so you
Mhm.
would have gone because he's
Yeah.
watching you from the mirror.
Mm-hmm.
So, but in a meeting traffic situation, just don't do hesitation. It's
Okay.
good to go.
Mhm.
Space is good to go. Just look around properly and keep moving.
Okay.
Okay. So look on the map.
Mm-hmm.
This time they're talking about two turning at the same time.
Uh-huh.
What is this?
Right turn and then left.
Yes, exactly. Right turn, then left turn.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to think about the right turn first.
Mm-hmm.
So that right turn also going to be a little tricky right turn.
Mm-hmm.
At the end of the road, turn right, then turn left.
So one thing is clear, because that after turning right you need to go somewhere left. That means don't pick up your speed too much,
Mhm.
otherwise you can miss your turning. So whenever they speak about two turning at the same time, this is what you always have to think, that okay, I better don't pick my speed too much,
Mm-hmm.
otherwise I will miss my next turn. That's another thing of your planning. So there are two giveaway lines. So first giveaway line, look on the cycle and don't stop on the cycle lane
Turn
like
right,
like a
then
blue car.
turn left.
You only go ahead when there is a space. Okay, any cycle around you?
No.
Okay, let him finish,
Mm-hmm.
then we take over his space. Now you can go and take the next giveaway line.
Mm-hmm.
Mirror signal right, go into the space here, look on the left traffic, then come out, stay in the left lane. And now he's thinking about the left turn.
Turn left, then take the second left.
Now when he said you're turning left and take the second left, did he tell you how many yards away the second one? No.
No.
Okay, so then just do the first one first.
Mm-hmm.
Look any cycle on your left.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, make a turning. Because people will think maybe you're talking about this left.
Mm-hmm.
And she said second left. People think maybe you're talking about this left now.
Okay.
But that's a car park.
Yeah.
Now it's more clear picture.
Mm-hmm.
So you're turning left, but after how many yards?
240.
Yes.
After
Sometimes.
200 yards, turn left.
So sometimes your next turn is not that quickly.
Mm-hmm.
Last time we did right and left was
Yeah.
too quicker, but this time it's not that quick. But that's how it works.
Turn left.
So anybody on your left? Where we are approaching next?
Another roundabout.
Yes. Which
East.
and which direction?
Left.
Yes. And how much far away we are now? 3/4 miles.
3/4 miles. Yeah.
Okay. So that means we wait for, it's a 30-mile road. So wait for the sat nav to say something to us, and more likely she's gonna say something when we are 200 yards away.
Mm-hmm.
Up till that, no information. Quite. I mean, just go straight, look around, do things properly, and go. And this is the best time of the driving.
Mm-hmm.
No information,
Yeah.
no disturbance, no information. Just carry on straight. Focus on your speed. Focus on your other stuff of the driving, observation, and just carry on. It's one of the easy way to make a planning. Just go straight. They're very simple pictures which come again and again.
Mm-hmm.
Arrow picture or roundabout picture. Left side or right side. Miles or yards.
Mm-hmm.
And once you're gonna speak, we already know, because we know which speed we are driving.
Yes.
And we already experienced that speed sometimes is correct, sometimes is wrong.
Mm-hmm.
So this time sat nav speed is 30 and the road speed is 30.
Mm-hmm.
But that's not going to be a case every time. Is the mile getting into the yards now?
Yes.
Okay. You think you're gonna speak somewhere soon?
After 300 yards, go left on the roundabout and take the first exit, then take the second right.
Okay. Now look on the map. We have some street on the left.
Mm-hmm.
So if you're gonna do the mirror signal now, it's too early.
Yeah.
So you have to think that way as well.
Mm-hmm.
How about now? Good. Closer to the white
Go
color.
left on the roundabout and take the first exit, then take the second right.
Where you should position your car? On the left or on the right?
Oh. Mm-hmm. On the left.
On the left. Outer circle.
Mm-hmm.
Left lane. Okay? That was the wrong position.
Yeah.
Careful about that next time.
Mm-hmm.
If there's no lines painted, we still use the left lane.
After 100 yards, turn right, then turn right.
Okay? Let's do first one first.
Turn right, then turn right. Turn right.
Straight car. It's like a T junction. Because it was a bend, so she did not say end of the road, turn right.
Mm-hmm.
If it's a very visible T junction, then she will say end of the road, turn right.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's go. Be quick. It was a bend. That's why she said right and right. But if you're going straight like now and
Mhm.
it's a small 20 road, 30 road, T junction, then she will say end of the road, turn right.
Okay.
Because you can see end very easily.
Mhm.
Because of this bend, you can't see the end.
Yeah.
That's why she did not say end.
After 300 yards, cross the roundabout and take the first exit.
Now look on the picture. That's another confusing point. Picture
Yeah.
say you're going somewhere on the left.
Yeah.
Sat nav say you're going cross. Cross means straight. You are not going somewhere straight.
Mm-hmm.
So just do where the sat nav is saying you to do. Ignore the word. Go for the picture.
Yeah.
So let's do mirror signal and go left.
Cross the roundabout and take the first exit.
Because cross means going straight.
Mm-hmm.
We are going left.
Yeah.
So ignore the wording.
Mhm.
Follow the marking or follow the line. So sometimes you have to use your own mind.
Yeah.
Okay, so careful in these kind of points on the sat navs. Tricky points.
After 200 yards, go right on the roundabout and take the second exit.
Okay, that's simple. Okay, so look on the picture, match the picture.
Go right on the roundabout and take the
That's
second
fine.
exit.
We did not invite her, so it's up to her she want to cross or not. Okay. The way this person invited her. If they are okay, wait. If they're blocked, you can go. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now they're not blocked, so we have to wait.
Yeah.
If other people come from the other side, they get blocked, then you can go. And careful, sometimes people like you can't see, they're in the blind spot, you can't see the signals, they do late signals, so careful. So how many people are going right, how many people are going left? There's them all going right.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, red is going left. Okay, let's come, let's go out, and this person on the front will wait for you because he's on your left.
Mm-hmm.
Now no information, so where you will go?
Kind of straight.
Which straight?
This one.
This one,
Mm-hmm.
on the blue line,
Mm-hmm.
not that one.
Yeah.
So what's coming up next now?
Roundabout.
Okay, which side we going on the roundabout?
To the left.
Okay, which exit? Not sure.
Not sure.
After 200 yards, go left on the roundabout and take the second exit.
Second. Now she's clear. Stay 20. Even the sat nav say you're going 22. Okay. Look mirror, slow down. Okay. No. Second. She said
Go
second.
left on the roundabout and take the second exit.
So no signal in the beginning. Stay in the left lane. If there's no road marking, stay in the left lane or outer circle to the left. Watch the traffic on the right. Come out. Then count your exit. Yes. Wait for the one to finish. Then mirror signal. And now look on the map. You're on the right place. Matching your triangle picture with the line. Okay. Because you heard the word left, it doesn't mean you're going to give signal. You're going left, but second exit. So it's not like she said left, you're going to give left signal. Okay, so we have to hear the word. So where are you going after that?
Roundabout.
Okay, what exit?
After 80 yards, cross the roundabout and take the second exit.
Second exit.
Second. That's important.
Cross the roundabout and take the second exit.
Yes. So out of position. Look all around while waiting. Update yourself everywhere. Okay, quick out. Keep to the left angle. Be quick. Mirror signal. Look on the right people as well. He's traveling next to you. Slow, slow, slow. Only increase the speed when your car is straight. Like now, car is straight. Then you're thinking of giving the gas. Otherwise, nice and slow. So where you gonna go next?
On the left.
Somewhere left. How you know?
As it shows there.
It's showing the left. That's how far?
300 yards. 330.
That's what speed you driving now? What's the speed of the road? 30. Because sides at 20, you are on 30.
After 200 yards, turn left.
That's it. So that's why they start speaking on 200 yards because in the slow speed. And don't go extra left. Remember? Think about yourself. 1 meter away from the left all the time. Okay.
Turn left.
We will all these mistakes I'm noting down. So that we're gonna have to cover all these mistakes.
Yeah.
So today's lesson was driving on the sat nav. How to drive on the sat nav, how to follow the sat nav, and how to make the awareness and planning with the sat nav. Okay.